To implement our special version of Battlesnake, we use the VGA as an output, the PS2 keyboard as an input, audio input and output, and the onboard FPGA inputs and hex displays. Here we test the PS2 communication that sends make or break codes to the 7-segment display. The GPIO pins connected to the LEDs indicate a valid input. We use the audio input from the microphone to distort the screen whenever too much noise is sensed.
Our first prototype tests that the snakes move correctly on the VGA monitor and doesn't include anything like point scoring or collision detection with the snakes. In this class, we learned a lot about FIFOs, so we decided to use a FIFO in our project to implement the body of the snake. We write the head position into the FIFO and read the tail position out so that we know where the head is going to be and where the tail was, so that we can draw the head and remove the tail. This gives us a moving snake that only requires changing 2 of the squares in the grid at any time.
The victory logic tints the screen to the color of the winning player. Purple for player 1, yellow for player 2, and teal for a tie.
Here we have the game working on an 8x8 grid. The score of each player is shown on the hex display at the bottom of the screen. We also have the modules parameterized so that they can run at any resolution and game speed. Other things that can be changed are the snake's starting positions and starting lengths. The screen is tinted yellow to indicate that player 2 has won. We really enjoyed working with all of these components, even though it took 15 minutes to compile the project.